Hey, this video is just going to show you how to perform linear regression in Google Sheets. First thing you need to do is manually enter your data as a table of values. You can use also whatever you have as your headers. In this case, I just have X and Y, but you can label them in a context like time and enrollment or cost and number of products or whatever you like. Then what you do is you just highlight the data. So I just clicked and dragged right there, clicked on the X and dragged all the way to the right-hand corner. Now I'm going to click Insert down to Chart. And it always defaults to column. What I'm going to do is go over here on the right, and I'm going to click on this menu and go all the way down to Scatter. I'm looking for a scatter chart or scatter plot. It should look like this now. You'll notice if you did label your header here with X and Y, it will put little labels for X and Y down on the horizontal and then vertical axis. To find our linear regression, what we want to do is click on a data point, any one. Now in this column, we want to go to trend line, which is our line of best fit. And we want to go to label, and we choose the label use equation. That equation shows up here. Then what we can also do is, if we wanted to or we're being asked to, we could have clicked on show R squared for the correlation coefficient, and that will show up right there. Just a quick note, that is R squared. If we wanted to find R, we would first have to determine is it a positive or negative relationship, and then we would need to take the square root to find actually the R value.